Hello， 大家好。We know 吹 means to blow. 牛 is a cow and the like. But 吹牛 doesn't mean to blow a cow. Instead, 吹牛 means to brag, to boast, or to lie. For example, 他总是吹牛。他 is he or him. 总是 means always. 吹牛 means to brag. 他总是吹牛。Next one, 别吹牛，你活不了300岁。别 means don't, 吹牛 means brag, 你 means you, one person, you. 活不了 means can't live. 300 is 300. 岁 means years of age. 别吹牛，你活不了300岁。Last example, 他吹牛说他去过木星。他 means he or him. 吹牛 here means to lie. 说 means to say. 他 again means he. 去过 means has been to somewhere. 木星 is Jupiter. 他吹牛说他去过木星。好，谢谢大家，再见。